With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, the time period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is under root 2 seconds. If its length is decreased to half of the initial length, then find its new period. Okay, so we have been given that the time period of oscillation of a simple pendulum as under root 2 seconds. Now, if the length of the simple pendulum is decreased to half of its original length, then what will be its new time period of oscillation? Okay, now the time period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is given as t is equals to 2 pi under root of L upon G. Okay, which is given to us as initially under root 2 seconds. So let us suppose this is our equation number 1. Now the length becomes half of the original length. So the new time period t dash will be equals to 2 pi under root of L dash upon G. Correct. So this will be equals to 2 pi under root L upon 2G. So this can also be written as t dash as 1 upon root 2 into 2 pi under root L upon G. So from equation number 1, it will be equals to 1 upon root 2 into time period t, which is root 2. So t dash will be equals to 1 upon root 2 multiplied by root 2, that will be equals to 1 second. Okay, so the new time period will be 1 second. So option 2 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.